Hello, my name is Soumodip Sarkar. I am from West Bengal. I have graduated from Assam Agricultural University. In 2023 ICAR AIEA PG entrance exam, I have secured a rank of 14 in physical sciences with an aggregate marks of 357. I am very thankful to Agri Toppers Academy for giving me this platform and this opportunity to share my experience and journey with you. Firstly, I should say that you should start your preparation from the book Fundamentals of Soil Science by ISSS or the Indian Society of Soil Science. You can call it as a base book of soil science. You should study all the chapters thoroughly, learn all the concepts by heart, and you should be able to relate those concepts all together, and you should learn the facts, the important facts and the numerical data by heart, which will be very beneficial for scoring high in this examination. After completing the ISSS book, now you can move on to a bit of advanced level learning to get that extra edge in examination to push up your rank. For that, the total syllabus of soil science can be divided into 6 major categories: soil pedology, soil physics, soil chemistry, soil fertility, soil biology, and soil analysis and testing. For pedology, you should study textbook of pedology by J. Sehgal. For soil physics, you should study textbook of soil physics by Dr. A.K. Saha. For soil fertility, you should study fertilizer, a textbook by Ranjan Kumar Bosak. For chemistry and soil biology, you should study introductory soil science by Dr. Dilip Kumar Das. And for analysis and sampling, you should study soil sampling and methods of analysis by S.K. Pal. In the examination syllabus, we have a lot of portion from the general agriculture section, and for that purpose you should study a competitive book of agriculture by Nimraj Shunda and fundamentals of agriculture, both the volumes, by Arun Kattayana. And to increase MCQ solving efficiency, you should practice a lot of MCQ. You can refer to Objective Soil Science by T. Ramesh or any other MCQ book. Giving mock test is very beneficial to crack any examination, as it helps you to analyze your level of preparation. For that, I would strongly suggest you to enroll in the test series of Agri Toppers Academy. I can assure you that it has helped me a lot. Perhaps it has helped me the most in securing a good rank in AIEA PG entrance examination. Lastly, a piece of advice from me: be consistent. Consistency is the key to crack this examination. Study consistently, revise consistently, practice consistently, and give examination consistently. I would like to add one last thing for the aspirants who have started late. I myself started my preparation from 4th year first semester, studied throughout 4th year second semester, and just be consistent in your studies and surely the success will be yours. Don't get afraid, don't be worried, study sincerely. All the best wishes to my junior aspirants for the examination of 2024. All my prayers for your success. And I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Agri Toppers Academy for being a major contributor in my success. Thank you.